So the last model is this tag model, and the relation related to that is the many-to-many relation. So let's add that. The model, of course, is fairly trivial. I'll just add a new class here and name it tag and extend models.model. And in there, all I want to have is this caption field, which is a simple char field because it should just be some short text. So let's say not longer than maybe 20 characters. But now I also want to set up a relation, a many-to-many relation. And we could add the relation on both the tag and the post, but for me here it makes more sense to see that from the post's perspective. So here I will add tags and set this equal to models many-to-many-field, and then pass the tag class as a value to many-to-many-field. And that is all we need to do here. That allows us to set up a many-to-many relation. So now these posts are all set up. Before we now make the migrations and run the migrations, I want to register them all for my admin panel to make sure that we also can use that soon.